Okay, we're recording.
Lot number 3. I'll write that on the map. This is lot 3 map. So we can start with the overall design first. Do you have those templates, Colin?
Yes, they're right here.
We're talking about like the overall design where the exit should be. Mm-hmm. Did you guys have any thoughts on that? Do you remember either the big one or the small one? And then we'll, after this, we'll go directly and talk about your lot after. So the options on the table for Maudie is this. We either get one of these, or 2, depending on the spacing, maybe 3, but
3, yeah.
Maybe, right?
Sounds like it's fair to have 3 anyway.
You'd rather have this one? The T's? Okay. Mm-hmm. So we'll pull these off then and we'll look at the T's. So for this one, do you agree it should be where it is, or do you think it should move for this one?
Well, the business is there too, right? So, but the main community is up in here,
community is here.
Okay. So I'm going to put a black mark there stating that you think this should work here. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, hi.
No.
Yeah.
What's your name in there?
Are you looking for Georgia or Tammy?
Yeah.
Georgia?
Either one of them.
Okay, hold on a second. What's your name?
Martin.
Martin? Okay.
How's it going? Looking at your highway?
Yeah. Just looking at the turnoffs.
Oh, yeah?
We got
Where
to
is it going
decide.
to go?
Well, that's what we're
thinking one of the main community.
we're just talking about our little property.
Oh, yeah.
She said you can go back.
Okay.
If you want to come look at the map too, you're really welcome.
I work for highways.
Oh, okay. Well, come take a peek when you're done with Georgia.
He's got
Okay.
better blueprint than this one.
Yeah. Oh, we should say for the record who's here. So you are Karen August and then Ernest August. That's right.
Karen
I'm
W.
Okay. So if we have this intersection here, this is the closest option to do the second one. Mm-hmm. Where do you guys think? Because this will impact your lot, right? Yeah. So where do you think the second?
But the third one wouldn't be closer from do you come from the end this way? Or
Hi. How are you?
Oh, good. Jimbo's here.
Jimbo is here.
Would the
We're
exit-
talking about the design, so
Would the exit come from this way or?
so that's a possibility. That's what we're saying. Where do you think the second one should be? Because that's going to impact your lot
See,
quite a bit, right?
that's going to be right on our lot then, eh? See, that's right beside our lot then.
Well, we can move it wherever. That's the point, right?
Yeah, that's
Do
the.
we need a turnoff at our lot?
On a 4-lane, you know what? That's like $500,000, right?
Yeah.
Well, I was saying we have the option to do the one big one or the 2 smaller ones, right? Well, if we do this is the minimum distance between them, right? So that would be the only one.
You need one in the rock bluff for access to the back.
Yeah, the Shuswap Road there, yeah.
Which is just what Jimbo said.
To connect to this?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're talking about opening that back up.
Yeah, it's like down here.
Like a big frontage road, eh?
Yeah.
So do you want me to draw in here as a frontage road? Mm-hmm. Do you guys want to do it, or do you want me to do it?
Yeah, that'll be a good
right here?
idea, wouldn't it?
Right here? Just to follow the same what's already there?
There's already a right of way in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the old highway. That's the old highway long time ago.
So where do you think would be the best spot for a second interchange?
You know what? You know you'll have to ask the other CP holders. It's not up to us, right?
Yeah, they've got a majority of holdings in more than us.
You're just saying that it needs to be on this side though, so you guys can get access, right?
Mm-hmm. But one thing, you know, you guys, it'd be good for you guys if you put one by not right next close to yours, so you know, up the value of your place. I want a clover leaf there. Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah?
Okay.
See you. Thank you, Martin.
But
Yeah, you can take a look at it.
Like I say, that little chunk is, you know, it is worth putting in a turnoff.
Yeah, yeah. But the only thing is that, because you got part of the thing with these templates that's kind of good is you can kind of see like how much space it takes up as well, because they take up some space.
Oh, okay, I thought this was what you're taking, but.
No, it's just this, yeah.
Can't you just cut off a little bit on this side and still have it on, connecting to this?
Yeah,
Yeah, like, you mean like here?
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
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 And then basically, if we use the existing road, you're worried about access,
We
right?
need to.
Because right now, this is gonna get cut off.
Yep, it will.
So what's your ideas on frontage roads to get, if we use this as an exit, would you wanna come from the back? Cause you're gonna need to get to your lot, right?
That would have to be through Joey.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that an old,
The way it works is that when you have a frontage road and you agree to a right of way, cause I know you were worried about that. It would be a negotiation, yes, with Joe, but that would be the band negotiating with him.
Oh.
And it would transfer to band land, meaning it wouldn't be his land anymore. It would
Oh.
transfer to band land. Because it would be a frontage road and the ministry would work on it,
Okay.
right? So that's still pre-negotiation. What we're trying to discuss here is a design which works best for your lot. Because your exit that's there is going to get cut off. There's no way you're going to be able to enter your property on this way without the exits. So frontage road, what is your thoughts on how to get to your lot? Because your exit's going to be cut off here.
I think we're gonna have a family meeting about that.
Okay. Okay.
You could throw
So
it.
for now, how about we say you agree with those two T's and you agree that this is going to be the frontage road. And then we'll have to figure out later how to get to this property.
It'll probably be through here, right?
But
Yeah.
doesn't Joyce want access to her? Oh, that's way over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there would be no frontage road along there, would there?
We do
No.
have another option that does show that. We don't know, like I said, we're still in pre-negotiations with Monty, but there was one getting thrown out that
As
not
a
thrown, as a possible.
design. So if you see this, so if we actually trim it, do you want me to move right over?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just grab the top one so it's not so heavy.
So we're looking at option 2, the protected T at Chief Nisconnet Drive and at the west end map from the land use plan for IR2.
That's just what we put
that's,
there, right?
that's just the same as.
It's the same map.
Same thing.
Yeah.
It's zoomed out more though. But the you can see like one of the things, your lot's right here. And one of the things that was kind of thrown out there as an idea are these frontage roads.
That's close to the highway. So it's another option.
What is it, a frontage road beside the main?
Yeah.
Yep.
That would, but the
It looks
frontage
like it
road
cuts
would
right
overlap onto the land again, wouldn't it?
Yeah. And that would be a problem. See, this is just conceptual. Like, we wouldn't be able to do this without your permission or all the
No.
other CP holders. We're just showing it to you as something that was brought to the community that wasn't us. So that was another option. So for this frontage road that you drew in here, basically your concern is to get to your property after that. Because your exit's going to be cut off. So that would be your main concern, I would think. Is that right? Yeah? Okay.
What about
But the frontage road there would take up a lot of more.
Yeah,
take
see,
a lot more
another
land.
30 meters.
It
Take a
would.
lot more
And we'd
land
have to
than-
sell it?
Yeah.
or
So-
what?
Can
have a
we-
meeting about that
I
before
thought
we
that's
can.
what it was here today.
So can I do this? I'm gonna cross through your thing and say that you do not want a frontage road on your property, like through it this way.
Cutting it through, right through the middle.
Is that fair?
What?
This is for no-go zones, meaning
Yeah,
like we don't
yeah.
want you to go. We'll tell them we don't want a frontage road through your property.
Right.
So
Okay.
this one's off.
Yep.
What
So
about
how about we'll write no frontage road through property?
the do you have thoughts about taking that frontage road and moving it back to the back of the
Oh,
property?
that's an idea.
Where it wouldn't affect your lot. Meaning
Yeah.
it wouldn't, like the boundaries will make sure it's out of your boundaries and that you'll be able to still get access to it.
I'd say it's still better from here.
Still
right?
better from here?
Okay.
Okay, how about we'll just draw that then? We'll just say this is preferred.